G'day, Divergence Traders. How y'all doing today on Thursday, September 7th? Oh, there's something in my memory about this day. Yeah. My first best friend, it's his birthday today. I've known him since I was 6 years old, and I'm 59 now. Anyway. Okay, let's get to it. There's my little toolbox. Yeah, right here. So this is the NASDAQ. And did we have a trade? Oh, yeah. Of course we did. Of course we did. Right here. Low. Actually, we had two of them, I think. But nothing up here to sell. It just didn't line up here today. Okay, anyway, let's move on here. So we got this. So the entry was right there. Okay. Right there, and let's try putting this thing on here. So you would have bought here. Your stop would have been right there at the bottom. Oh yeah, baby, look. Look at that, man. It hit the freaking target. 207 ticks. Gotta love it. You went through a little hell there because it came back and it missed your stop by, look at that, like a couple of ticks. Just like it missed my freaking take profit today by a couple of ticks too. But I'll show you that. We'll talk about that later. Okay, so there's the trade. It was a winner. Let's look at the 2-minute. What did it give us? Okay. Let's put this over here. You can see that double bottom, right? Right here. But this is going down like this. This needs to be going up. So there was no entry to buy here unless you traded the 5 crossing up above the 7 on this here. But on the 2-minute, we did have another trade before this. It's right here. It's actually stretching it a little bit. But no, it's still valid because it's, you know, it's a positive mountain peak, negative valley, positive mountain peak. It goes a little more, but still, yeah, it should work. So you would have got in right here. Stop would have been here. So let's just try that now. Would have hit the target, 131 ticks. Gotta like that. And then we had this double bottom, but it's not divergent to buy here. And this was a trade too, but guess what? This is not cooperating like this. We need, let me show you. This is coming down like this, right? Yeah. And this needs to go up like this. Well, if you really want to get super precise, let me see if this lines up. It probably doesn't. Let's see. No. See, it's supposed to be like with this one. No, it's going down. There's no trade there. There's no trade to buy in here. That's not a trade, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. So anyway, as you can see, it came up and came down. This isn't a trade either. See this double top here? And right here like this? See? This one needs to come down, and it's going up from this mountain peak to this mountain peak. Boy, did they chop everything and mess everything up, those bastards. Except for this one trade. Anyway, okay, we're done with that. Let's move on to the NASDAQ now, 5 minute. Let's see, what did it produce for the traders? Nothing up here either. See, it just wasn't a divergent day today. What the hell? Okay. Anyway. We had some divergence here, man, okay? It's right here. It's like 1, 2. I call that like a Forex bottom. Not Forex, you know, currency. 4X. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times we bounced off that bitch. Okay? So, right here to here. There's the trade. You would have got in here. Here, I'll put the arrow on there too. Somewhere you had to jump in there. Somewhere like that. I'm saying like right here in the middle of the candle bar. So, how much did we go? If we got in right here, 45 ticks. I believe we're going higher, but I can't guess. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't jack shit. I'm just some guy on the internet showing you something that works. That's right. That's right. Okay. Like I said, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. I'm not trying to tell you how to trade. I'm not telling you what I'm about to show you next. I'm not saying, oh, that you got in here, you got in there, because now it's in the past. So we can't say that now because it's past. Okay, let's take a look. Yeah, I know I sound a little paranoid like all the other influencers, because they're all afraid that the SEC is going to come down on them or something if they say, oh, buy here or sell there. People are freaked out. Anyway, check this out. Check this out, ladies and gentlemen. This is my trading activity for the day. So, here is 9:30. See, right here, 9:30, right here. So we took off rapidly up here. And my entry was right here. Where I should have got in was right on the opening of this candle is what I'm trying to say. But I didn't because we were right here at resistance. And I said, no, this is the open. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. Because those bastards are probably, this is what I'm always thinking. These bastards, they take it up and then they take it right down and they get your stop. So I never bought right there on that candle. Instead, it went up. I said, okay, I'm going to wait for a pullback and see what happens. Sure enough, I put a limit order there. It came, it filled me. I got out right there, right at the target. Okay, then the second trade, I was doing something. I missed the entry on this one because the entry on this one is at the opening of this candle right here, okay? And I wasn't here. But then it came down and bounced up and I said, we did all the retracement now from here. I'm going to sell it now here. So we sold it, came down, they bought off S2, see S2 right here? They bought off, they took it up. Here's one of my, higher close, down it goes trades right here in the mix. Okay, but I was already in it. So they shot it down here. My target was right here, motherfucker. It missed my freaking target by 1 or 2 ticks. I was so pissed. And then it shot back up again. And I'm saying, oh, I bet you these bastards are going to take it up. I was thinking this move right here was going to happen right here. That's what I thought. That's why I closed the trade with 2 ticks profit. Not even 2 ticks, 1 tick. And I got the hell out. And where I had my stop was like basically right here. I don't know why I put my stop there. My stop was supposed to be up here. So that was a mistake. See, even the best of traders make mistakes. And this, it's like some kind of weird, I don't know, voodoo hex, like on your back or something. Because I've had some crazy incidents like this, and I'm sure you have also. Right? Right. I tell you, this market is like, it's cursed. These markets are cursed. Because they do a lot of weird things that you cannot explain. So anyway, where was I? I was right here. Yeah, missed my target. Nothing I can do. I got out here. So then I'm waiting. I'm going, where was this trade now? Oh, no, I got out here. So then I waited for the next setup. Right up here, see, this was not a setup. They're both flowing upward. So then I waited and I waited. This is a 2-minute chart, by the way, okay? And it came down here, made a new low, broke through the stops. That's what they love to do. They love to either scare the living shit out of you right here, see? And almost get your stop for people who had their stops right here at S1. And then they take it down. Yeah, then they take it down. They love to play with you. Okay. So anyway, then I saw these two big candles spiking up, going up like this. I go, oh, I bet you now we're going back up here like I thought we were going to do from this move up, this impulse up, or whatever you want to call it. I said, I bet you now, right here, I said, I just can bet dimes to donuts we're going right back up here. And it did. That's exactly where it did. So anyway, I jumped in. It started to hesitate right here. I got the F out because you never know with these bastards what they'll do. I thought they were going to sell it like right back down again or something. So I got out. I took my profit. So today I got a total of 50 ticks, ladies and gentlemen. Very happy about that today. And yeah, that's what happened on the S&P. Let's take a quick look at the pound. The pound, I was about to say the pound dollar. No. Okay. There's a trade in the UK session. There's two trades. Let me show you. Okay. The first one is right there. See our little teacup? Here's the handle. Here's the cup. See my little teacup? Do, do, do. Yeah, I don't know the words to that song. That's a little kid song. Gotta love the children. Children are precious little angels. Okay, so we would have got in right here. Or here, whatever. And so the potential points here was 16 pips. Points, not pips, points. Okay, so that's the first trade. The second trade was this. From this top of the mountain to this higher top of the mountain. Right here. Right here. See what is sold in here. Okay. Right there. Oh. Yeah. Right there. 24 points, ladies and gentlemen. And as you know, the stop would have been right here underneath the swing, the closest swing low for this trade. And the stop would have been right here for this sell trade. And as you can see on both of these trades, did the price go back and get your stop? No, never went back there. Because that's what's so awesome about this strategy. Okay, so then we had low, retracement, lower low. This is now in the US session. And right there. Yeah, it's a lot more clicking and work to do these charts, but it's the ones I want to do. Okay, so you would have got in here. Went up 13 ticks. It's not so easy to figure out the stop like on MetaTrader. So you have to go the opposite way. See the stop. Oh, fuck. No, man. That's all you can do. Let me just try this again here. There, the stop would have been 14, and you just would have got it. Okay? All right. Now, what about over here? Because this valley is deeper than this one, it's another double bottom, but there's no trade to buy it up here. The only trade is to buy the cross up of the 5 on top of the 7. Yeah. So that's it for the pound. Let's take a look at the euro. Oh. I just see one trade, ladies and gentlemen. You see it? Double bottom right there. Do you see it? Do you see it? I do. I do. I definitely do. Okay. Would have got in right there in the opening of that candle. And what was our stop? Okay, so from right here to right here. 22, stop. With a 26. You would have got it. You would have got it. You're 1 to 1. You would have got it. Right on. Let's move on. Let's now move on to the last instrument of the day, which is oil. Oil, very choppy. Look at all them wicks. Woo! Wicky, 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 sticky wicky. Woo-wee. I was going to say something else there, but I can't say it. The ladies wouldn't like that. Okay. What do we have here? We have a low and a lower low, but it's a no-go. There's no trade here. Can you believe that? Oh, there is a trade. It was a loser. Let me show you. Right here. Double top, basically. And right here. Look at that. He would have sold right there. And guess what? I wouldn't have sold right there. Now that I'm looking at it. Because look, got major support right there. And look what it did. Look what it did. It came and it bounced off of it. Came back down again, bounced off of it. So that's a trade, but, you know, I wouldn't have took that trade because we had all this support here. And now we have divergence up here. Oh, yeah. We have high and higher highs. Yeah. That's right from here, I believe. Yeah. So you would have got in right there. Would you really want to sell this thing after all these wicks? Actually, the wicks are giving you even more of assurance that it's going to go down. Because every time the buyers tried to buy it up, the sellers knocked it down. Buyers bought it up, knocked it down. Bought it up, knocked it down. Look at how many times they bought it up and they knocked it down. Yeah, and it's working so far. It's working. Okay, so let's take a stop was 26. Almost hit the target. Right there, 27 ticks right there. Pip, points. And that's it. So anyway, once again, this is Jason Sweezy. I like to trade divergence for one simple reason. It motherfucking works, man. I show you every day. Thanks for watching, and thanks for listening. And if you could be so kind to hit the like button and subscribe. It's free to like and subscribe. It's free. It's 100% free. I'd really appreciate it if you could do that for me today. So I hope you have a good rest of your day. Good luck and good trading.